Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoom audio and video optimization easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Zoom audio and video optimization, start by launching the Zoom application on your device. Once the application is open, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, select the video tab on the left sidebar. Under the video settings, you will see options for camera selection. Choose the appropriate camera you want to use for your meetings. Next, check the option for Enable HD for higher video quality, if your internet speed allows. Now, move on to the Audio tab in the left sidebar. Here, select your preferred microphone and speaker under the Microphone and Speaker sections. Make sure to test your microphone and speaker by clicking the Test Speaker and Test Mic buttons. Adjust the input volume of your microphone to an optimal level so that your voice is clear. If you want to reduce background noise, enable the Suppress Background Noise option. Next, go back to the Video tab and scroll down to find the Touch Up My Appearance option. Enable this feature if you want a slight smoothing effect on your appearance during video calls. Now, return to the main settings menu and click on the General tab. Here, you might want to enable Use Dual Monitors if you have multiple screens for an enhanced experience. After making all desired changes, click the Save button. Finally, conduct a test meeting to ensure that your audio and video settings are optimized to your preference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.